Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets today. It's Thursday. First, just a note on the election results this week. This is a whole new era for our country. This is a whole new era for our markets. Capitalism will survive, so this is real exciting times. There are going to be a lot of opportunities, up and down, down and up. You know, and it takes patience, it takes knowledge, it takes understanding of our markets, and certainly a detachment, an emotional detachment from the news flow. Don't trade according to what the polls tell you to trade. They got it wrong this summer in Brexit. They got it wrong this week in our presidential election. And don't trade according to the headlines that you read. So, you know, we're here. We've been around 101 years, RJO Futures. I got some of the first accounts that I opened 18, 20 years ago, working, trading with on a daily basis. And as they say, that's a good thing. Okay, the corn market. We had the November crop report. Big crops get bigger, and that's what happened yesterday. So our first chart of corn, you can see 3 days of lower highs and lower lows, and then the line on this corn chart is the 100-day moving average. So see that, and let's see if maybe strength in soybeans can bring corn back. I am hearing that U.S. farmers are storing corn and selling soybeans. So certainly strength in soybeans is something that's been happening here. The best corn buyers in the world today, U.S. corn, is Mexico, Japan, Chile, Colombia, and Peru. So, you know, it's real important. We don't need trade wars. I don't know how we're going to get around this, but it's real important to keep these gates open and sell our grain to all of the world. Okay, the soybean market, you had a bearish report yesterday, and we're almost 20, 30 cents higher today. So not so much the reports that come out, but how the market responds. So real strong response here overnight in soybean, led by vegetable oil. There's a 7-year low in supply of vegetable oils around the world. So this is impressive. So we got a good rally going on in soybeans. I think the demand is going to continue here in soybeans, and harvest is wrapping up, so it's the time of year for soybeans and corn to continue to rally. The best buyers in soybean is China. Last year, China accounted for 50% of our soybean exports, and then Mexico's the number 2 buyer of soybeans, U.S. soybeans in the world today. We need to keep this going. So in the chart of soybeans here, you can see the 100-day moving average there, and the soybean market looks like it's in pretty good support to me. The wheat market, like I touch on from time to time, North America, USA, and Canada used to supply 75% of wheat exports to the world. Now it's Russia that does a bulk of this, and Russia's off to a real good growing season, again growing wheat, so kudos to them in their region, a real powerhouse in the global wheat market. Everybody have an excellent weekend. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. We are here for a full market, so call us anytime.